Guys, we have come to a waterfalls and like there's not many people over here. Okay, so just look at the way they have parked the bike and look at the way it is. The water is flowing and we have to get wet in that and go. Oh my god, the route is like super crazy. Now I know why. This is a deserted, actually from Vagamon, this is 1 hour. So it's a deserted location and not many people know about these waterfalls, but this might be in heaven or hidden heaven. Let's go, I'll show you. From the far we could see the waterfalls, but now there's no view of the falls. Look at this, we have just come somewhere. We don't even know the route, but the waterfall is over there. So I guess we'll be following the waterfall. It's super slippery over here, but so one slip and I'm screwed. Okay, no idea how to go. We are just going randomly, like legit randomly. Whew. But it's a pretty good place because new experience, you know, and like exploring places like this has a lot different fun. Everybody thinking where to go because there's no one over here. It's just us and 2-3 more people and a few bikers. You know what, I'm just gonna go somewhere and then get screwed. Okay, now I'm screwed because there's no place over here. I think I found a place. See, this is en route. This all goes en route. Now let's take this one. And then go. Why does this feel so weird? Feel like Neha. Oh my god. Oh my god. I left my pants behind. Now I guess they're searching for me. Neha! Neha! I guess I'm screwed. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, they still haven't come. I feel I should go back and check for them. Are they lost or what? Because I came by this way. I don't know how they were coming. So I'll just go check on them once. Okay guys, we're still heading forward. It's super slippery. Super slippery. चलो ठीक है डेंजर है वो डेंजर है अच्छी चीज है अभी बड़ी जाओ अरे अच्छी चीज बनी रहे और डाल खाए डीप करनी है वाइट पानी है निकल आई चलो ठीक हो गाइस crazy legit going near the waterfalls. Like super heavy, yeah, super heavy. How do I go? Actually route nahi hai. After crossing the rocks, look at how difficult the rocks are. After crossing this, we have come to the spot. Okay, I hope I don't slip down. I'll show you how beautiful this waterfalls looks. Yes! Okay, I'm at the waterfalls. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Start there, guys. super fabulous, guys. Super strong wind. I'm almost wet. I'm almost wet, guys. Like legit, almost. The mic is like, I don't know if my audio is like good, but so good. Woo! Super slippery, yeah? पूरा तो भीग गया। हाँ वाटरफॉल से निकले पूरे भीगे हुए and then it started raining so heavily and now we're stranded in the center of the forest. It's like drizzling, cats and dogs, super heavy. Look at the climate now. It's drizzling so hard. Now it started showering also and we are completely wet. We are changing now. And then इसके बाद I took some hot fried rice and with green chili sauce and some sauce. So I'm gonna have this and इसके बाद coffee and then we are gonna get back to Chennai. This is delicious. It's almost 7 in the evening and we have completed exploring Vagamon and now we are heading back. We are again night driving back to Chennai. So it's in 12 or 30 minutes drive. So almost we are gonna reach there in the morning. So again night drive and we just left Vagamon and now in the evening time it's completely foggy. Right. Completely foggy and thunderstorms with rain showers. In my last video, in the waterfalls video, it was showering really heavy. So after that we were tired, so we were like, let's just leave back to Chennai. So this will be the last day in Vagamon. So we enjoyed this trip and it's a very underrated location as many of them. It's just gaining popularity now. So not many of them visit here, but in the holidays people are crowding over here because of the glass bridge and the adventure park. So it was a great time in Vagamon and that's it for this video. See you in the next one.